It's gonna go here. Now we're on this. And I'm working on this really nice Danish modern table here. And I just gotta strip the top. I want to show you some quick tips. One, when you use a stripper, either methylene chloride or this is a non-methylene chloride based, but you gotta read the instructions. One, you gotta shake the can. And two, most people don't really know this, is that when you apply the stripper, you don't want to brush it in both directions. Why? Well, one, the instructions say, and maybe that's good enough. You always want to brush it in one direction. The reason being is there's microscopic metal flakes in here, little shields that lay down when you brush it in one direction. That helps trap the solvents that are stripping the finish, and it reflects them down into the finish. You can also cover this with saran wrap or a piece of plastic, and that's really great also. This is a very light finish on it, so I don't need to do that, but if you had a problem, you would do that. Brush it on and let the solvents do the work. 5-10 minutes, then you test it with a scraper, which I should have around here somewhere. Well, you test it with a scraper, and then I'm going to be using a card scraper after that. I'll test it with a plastic scraper to see if the finish is loosened up. And always remember your respirator.